By now, burglars may be accustomed to laser systems and pepper spray, but what about a minefield that's probably off their radar? But don't worry, everything is lawful. We are referring to home defense-oriented paintball and airsoft equipment. Consider the PBM-22, for instance. This 68 caliber refillable mine shoots out 60 balls at once, filling an area of around 14 meters squared. One is available for $167. Although AI cameras are not always dependable, having someone observe a location all the time is expensive and seems unwelcome. Deep Sentinel integrates both strategies for this reason. Smart cameras detect unusual behavior and notify a human operator, who may then frighten off intruders using the speaker. It is easy to use and efficient, and it does not necessarily involve phoning the cops. The operator will do so if necessary. This mechanism operates quite quickly. In around 30 seconds, it may detect and foil a robbery or kidnapping attempt. It's also quite simple to set up. All you have to do is install the cameras, link them to a wireless hub, and configure everything using an app. The entire procedure just requires 30 minutes or so. Along with their standard microwave sensors, APS has expanded their portfolio to include additional types of safety sensors. Infrared ones and those that employ both are currently available. Consider the M110. This is an infrared photoelectric sensor with a range of up to 110 meters. Because it is unaffected by rain, fog, or frost, it is ideal for seeing large regions. Then there's the M210, a traditional microwave sensor that combines the transmitter and reception components into a single unit. Up to 15 meters can be protected by this one. The M310 is also rather cool. It detects variations in the surrounding temperature. Moreover, it detects motion, forming a sort of microwave wall. An area up to 11 meters wide may be monitored by each M310. Pepper spray, or capsicum oleoresin, hurts like mad when it comes into contact with your skin and will make you cry more than the Titanic's last moments. We are at the Less Lethal Concepts facility, a major producer of defensive items with a pepper foundation. You'd never suspect that these men installed their devices beneath automobile doors or at gateposts. The enemy won't know where they were hit. Coughing and tears. That's only the beginning of their problems. This pepper extract can occasionally produce eyelid spasms and difficulty breathing. Oh, and it also works on canines. Suppose you had the perfect lawn at your property, but suddenly every animal in the neighborhood, cats, dogs, squirrels, and so on, is racing toward it as if it were a Disney princess. Unwind. Allow the yard enforcer to drive them out. Using just 2 cups of water each shot, this device uses an infrared sensor to monitor intruders and then blasts water at them from an 11-meter distance. 4 AA batteries provide a 7500 on-off cycle for the sprinklers. The yard enforcer sprinkler may be set to operate exclusively during the day, only at night, or all day long. Its adjustable jet intensity makes it appropriate for watering lawns as well. Without batteries, the sprinkler costs $85. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, take care and stay awesome.